Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. The world of gardening has evolved significantly over the years, and with it, so has the equipment available to help garden enthusiasts achieve lush and beautiful landscapes. One such tool that has gained popularity among gardeners and homeowners is the foam gun for a garden hose. This innovative device has revolutionized the way we approach tasks like washing cars, cleaning outdoor surfaces, and, most notably, applying garden chemicals and fertilizers. In this guide, we will explore the best foam guns for garden hoses, shedding light on their features. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Chemical Guys ACC_326. The Chemical Guys ACC 326 Torque Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun, designed as the ultimate car wash foamer, is highly regarded by customers, scoring an impressive 8.1 out of 10. With a total of 895 reviews, this product has received significant attention, including 606 recent, verified reviews. Here's a summary of the key insights from these reviews. Cleaning. Customers find the foam gun effective for cleaning, with an 81% positive sentiment. They appreciate its performance with soap and cleaners, often pairing it with the Honeydew soap for excellent results. On number 4, Liquid X Foam Wash Gun. The Liquid X Foam Wash Gun is a car washing tool with an overall rating of 8.3 based on 13 reviews. It has received positive feedback in several areas. Build quality. It is highly regarded for its build quality, scoring 8.8. Users appreciate its sturdiness and durability. Cleaning. While its cleaning performance is rated at 6.8, it seems to offer satisfactory results for users. Customer support. The foam wash gun has a customer support rating of 7.6, indicating decent support for users. On number 3, Gilmore Cleaning. The Gilmore Cleaning Sprayer Foamaster 2 Multi-Ratio Spray Gun, with a rating of 4.3, has received 781 reviews on Amazon. However, 9% of these reviews have been adjusted or removed due to potential issues. After these adjustments, there remains 709 reviews for the product. Please note that the information in this report was last updated on July 2, 2020, and for the most up-to-date data, you may need to refresh the report. This spray gun offers a multi-ratio functionality and is provided by Gilmore, a reputable brand in the cleaning equipment industry. On number 2, Duskin. The Duskin SFL-001 Foam Cannon is a snow foam lance designed for pressure washers. It features an adjustable foam lance with a 1/4 quick disconnection fitting and a 33-ounce, 1-liter, container bottle. To use this foam cannon, your pressure washer needs to have a minimum of 1.2 gallons per minute, GPM, flow rate and over 1,000 pounds per square inch, PS, pressure. The connectors of this foam cannon are constructed from quality brass, ensuring durability. On number 1, Twinkle Star. The Twinkle Star Foam Cannon is a foam lance designed for pressure washers. It comes with a 1/4 quick disconnection fitting and a 1-liter container bottle for foam. The product includes 5 pressure washer nozzle tips with different angles to enhance foam cleaning capabilities. The foam produced can reach up to 20 feet and can be thickened by adding 6 ounces of soap and warm water. The adjustable nozzle can change the spray pattern from a jet stream to a wide fan pattern. All connectors on this foam cannon are constructed with quality brass, ensuring durability. In conclusion, selecting the best foam gun for your garden hose can greatly enhance your gardening and outdoor maintenance tasks. These innovative devices have become essential tools for not only achieving cleaner and shinier cars but also for efficiently applying garden chemicals and fertilizers. As we've explored the options available, it's evident that there are a variety of foam guns to choose from, each with its own unique features and benefits. So guys, this was the video about the best foam gun for garden hose. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.